So with a composite function, you can read it as it's written, f circle g of x. I know that's not really a circle, it's the dot function, but if you read it that way, f circle g of x, that's physically what you're doing, is circling g of x, and everywhere there's an x in the other function, you're going to plug in what you've circled. So we focus on where the arrow's pointing, and for f dot g of x, we're looking at the f function. We're taking out its x's, and we're replacing it with what we've circled. From here, simplify, distribute, and then combine like terms. That's as far as you go when you're simplifying. Simplifying means to remove parentheses, combine like terms, and then stop. You're not solving. That would be x equals a number. You're just combining like terms and then stopping. To go the other direction, let's write up the functions again. We have f of x equals 3x minus 4, and g of x 2x squared minus 7. Alright, so this one is g circle f of x. So if I circle f of x, everywhere there's an x in the other function, I'm going to substitute in 3x minus 4. I have to be a little careful when I write this one up because it's going to be 2 times the quantity 3x minus 4 taken twice minus 7. That taken twice means I need to write it down 2 times and then FOIL it out. And you can multiply in any order. So that means you can either distribute the 2 through the first parenthesis and then FOIL, or you can FOIL first and then distribute the 2. That's generally the process that I go. I keep the 2 out front, FOIL this out, and then distribute the 2 through. But again, it doesn't matter how you do this. When you combine like terms, you get something very different than what you had before. Okay, so from here, we found f dot g and g dot f. Another part of this problem might be to ask you to find f dot g of 0. Well, we've already found f dot g of x, so f dot g of 0 simply means put a 0 in for every x in the above function. And then simplify. And the same with g dot f. If you're asked to find g dot f of any number, it could be anything, we'll put 0 in again, just for argument's sake. But I've already found g dot f of x, so g dot f of 0 just means plug zeros in for the x's. If this had been g dot f of 1, then I'd be plugging in 1s for the x's and then simplifying. Okay, order of operations, 0 times anything is going to be 0. And we're left with 0 minus 0 plus 25, which is equal to 25.